So credit cards will, if you guys want to know when your credit card will expire, then what I want you to do is I want you to actually get your credit card. So this is my Navy Federal credit card, right? So my expiration date is actually right there on the back, 10/24. So October 2024, this is going to expire. Now, usually 30 to 60 days before it expires, Navy Federal or whatever credit card company is out there, they'll usually send you a card. Now, if you guys are in bad standing, they may not send you a card. They may end up closing your account, but usually they'll send you out a card in 30 to 60 days. So that is for you if you guys want to know like your dates. Now these dates too that's on here, you guys, these dates are usually stretched out depending on the company. Each company, they would choose like what dates they want to put on here in terms of, is the card going to be active for 3 years, going to be active for 5 years. They'll choose those different things when it comes down to your card. But if you guys ever want to get a new card, or if you guys ever get a new card, just call them, and usually your date and everything will change automatically. So you don't have to keep thinking about, oh my gosh, is this card going to expire? I usually change out my cards more frequently anyway, because I don't want to keep that same card number all the time, because I don't want people using my card, or I want to make sure that if there's any possible fraud, or if my card number is out there, nobody can just still have access to my card number. So I like to change them out anyway, change my cards out, so I never have to think about, is this card going to expire? It's only one card that expired for me, and I'm just too ashamed to say which one it was. Which one it was, but yeah, that's the only card that expired for me. The rest of them I changed out, but yeah, make sure you guys know those